Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Bank of America's mortgage account, which means home loan account. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Bank of America mortgage login just like this. And after you search for Bank of America mortgage login, the second option over here where it says sign in to manage your Bank of America home loan account, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login page. Now if you want to convert it into English, make sure you choose English because at first it might be in Spanish, alright? So you need to keep that in mind. So once you're in this page of Bank of America, just click on sign in and it's going to take you to the login page. Over here, what you can do is click on enroll in online banking if you don't have an online banking account, and if you already have an account. Now once you're in this page where it says user ID, enter the user ID of your account. Where it says password, you just need to enter the password of your account. Once you do that, just click on login and you should be able to log in into your Bank of America's online banking account. And from inside there, you can access the mortgage setting and, apply for a mortgage from there. So that's how we guys can log in into your Bank of America's mortgage account. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.